Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here on Birds.n.Birdiez. We've got an adventure coming up for you. It's a beautiful day, so let's go birding. Alright everyone, it's December 20th, 2022, Northeast Ohio. It's cold outside and we're going to go on a birding adventure. The adventure wasn't going to be like this at all. In fact, I just got this video equipment yesterday, so I was going to do a test shoot, put you out in the backyard by the bird feeder and see what backyard birds come. It was going to be nice and just experiment with the camera a little bit. However, things changed. This is the trial run with my new GoPro, and I hope everything works out. With any luck, we're going to find this bird, so let's get going right now. Well, here we go. We are on the road. We are chasing a bird today. The lake we are on the way to is Pymatuning Lake. Now, Pymatuning Lake sits northeast border of Ohio, separating Ohio during that section from Pennsylvania. That's where we're heading, about 30 or 40 minutes drive from my house. But I've never heard of this bird in the area. In fact, I'm gonna throw up a commonly found range map for this bird right now. The bird we are looking for is the Common Eider. I saw a few pictures of the one they've been seeing. 2 days ago it showed up. It was wrongly identified as a white-winged scoter, I believe, and then someone correctly identified it as the Common Eider. That was 2 days ago. Yesterday there were 9 reports of it being seen. Anyway, I'm really excited about taking you on this adventure. Keep our fingers crossed. Let's go find that Common Eider. Here's the lake. Just up here on the right is the south pull off the causeway. A good sign would be a lot of vehicles. Good sign would be a lot of vehicles. That means a lot of birders, and a bird like this will attract some attention. I might look through the records to see when the last time a Common Eider was up here. Something I'm not familiar with. Lots of seagulls swirling around. Here's our pull-off little parking area up here on the right. And then we'll get out and take a walk around, see what we can find. All right, let's get suited up. Okay. There's 18 there. So I'm counting, looks like about 48 ring-billed gulls. Sorry, I'm looking right in the sun. Don't know how that's going to work out for you. Turn away from the sun here. There are some ducks out there. I have to get the scope and check them out. That gull right there, that's a Bonaparte skull. Another Bonaparte skull. We're walking all the way over here to the state line. Probably could have driven here. There's some cars parked over here, and word that it's close to the shore, close to the rocks, maybe within 100 feet out. I think chances are looking good if we ever get there. Saw some common mergansers fly by. The temperature actually warmed up and the wind seems to be settling down. Okay, we spotted the Common Eider. It's right there. Hope you can see it. Okay. Start the walk back to the car. So we're back in the car. I got it off the causeway. There's still people out there looking. We found the Common Eider. I hope that I'll be able to punch it up in the video. I did a rookie move. I grabbed my bag with my big 600mm telephoto lens and camera. And as soon as I saw the Eider, I got that out. Wouldn't you know it, the battery is dead. So I don't have a good picture for you. So excited, I was about ready to give up for a while on it. There was a lot of walking and freezing that is not on video. I spared you all those details. So I think I'm gonna head back unless I decide to stop and gawk at it some more. Common Eider. Pretty amazing. Who would have thought? I'm heading home now. And it was a success. It took quite a while. Longer than expected. But I got it, and a lot of great birders got it. Glad you got to join us in finding it. Hope to see you out birding again. Hope this video comes together and that you enjoy it. If you like it, and subscribe to Birdz.n.Birdiez, where we want to go birding together, and let's play some disc golf once in a while too. This is the first video. There's gonna be more. We'll get better. Let me know in the comments what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Ways maybe that I can improve. I want to put out good content. Most of all, I want to share my passion for birding with you and being outside, doing anything. Have a great day. Thanks for joining us. See you later.